just realized I have ultimate power over the storm. Now I'll make it rain.
Oh no. I think it's my flood.
I did this, cereal bowl.
Come on man, you're not P50. And don't call me that.
Why on earth is there already an inch of rain on the ground?
I think Fury Bolt is doing this. There's this nerdy mart. Let's go inside. Phew. It is freaking pouring out there. Anyway, let's get the things we need. I'm just going to keep my distance. She seems pretty dangerous. In that case, I'll do the same. Me too.
Nobody can stop me now. I am all powerful and I have complete control over the weather.
I think I'm staying out of this. Last time I tried to help I got annihilated by P50's evil clone.
Okay, we're finished here. Wait. I think I hear a conversation. It's P50. He's pretending to be nice again. And you know, I do understand how much you hate this, although I didn't consider this happening when I snuck into 1003's lab. Oops. It was you the whole time. You caused all this to happen. Yes, well, no, well, okay. I will tell you what happened. Here's a flashback.
Now I just need to add chemical H.
If my bearings are correct, I just made it into a fart potion. What I didn't know was there was more to add still, and I didn't even bother to read the instructions to see what else she had to put in. By the time I found out, it was too late. Hold on a second. You actually feel bad about this one? Shut up. I mean, I do, but I don't regret anything else. Well, some things apparently never change. Will you not tell anyone this? Only if you stop insulting sirens. Nope. Then it's no deal. Come on guys. Let's go make the serum that will break the curse.
I wish I knew how to help. I don't know why I am so scared. I'm usually really courageous in the face of bad weather.